It must be apple. Birds like expensive fruits. Parrots talk to their friend. If you don't move, neither do I. They bite the hand that feeds them by ruining your stuff. It's time for you to change into a fingerprint door. It's just him warning her not to touch his computer. Two victims after that fight, one with leg pain and the other with the heart attack. He seems to play hard with it. Oops. No, 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 no. Ah, exactly. Peekaboo self-love version. Modern bird adapting to modern life. Server error for a while.
What?
Apparently, it's a physics lesson about balance in life. The bird says, "Where's my dinner, human?" Small can't be the boss. Who said that? Mom says shadowing is the best way to mingle with new friends. A closed mouth catches no flies, but birds instead. Mission accomplished. I got your attention.
Go get her. Give me a kiss.
He makes it so dramatic when he tries to kiss her. That's a drummer's about to debut. He feels the rhythm so well. Two farmers working hard on the keyboard harvest. This fashion model needs a slow walk training. Not only human, birds have their influencer too. He's trained as a cute little alarm bell. Practicing for the first date. His first day as a thief looked a bit amateur.
Naughty.
America's Got Talent seems to find it hard to decide who the golden button belongs to. He'll sure be a strong opponent if there was a race for birds.
Really? Are you having fun? Really?
Everyone needs an enthusiastic dance partner like this.
Yeah, you gotta get out. Gotta get out.
Me knowing the solution but refusing to fix my problems.
Walk out, Prince. Oh my god! Get out of your cup!
Hey! Stop it.
Just like children, they felt bad when Mom gave them a friendly reminder. A rock and rolls fan get reincarnated into birds. Girls avoiding their boyfriend's physical touch after a fight. His greeting language is so funny. When in Rome, do as Romans do. He acts as if he's eating like them. When you are lazy to use Siri.
Messages. Good girl.
Me trying to cook when the music's on. Dancing pulls them together like soulmates. These wings need to rest, so today we'll take a taxi instead. Being an older brother is hard, but I know he won't give up. A precious cutie with his sweet little voice. When the operating interface doesn't match with the operating system. This waiter only takes food tips, not money. He loves to talk to his mommy.
¿Qué onda de mamãe? É o Tutu? É o Tutu da mãe?
The morning of an introvert be like.
Dodo? Ah, ça y est, ça l'excite.
Me doing this crazy dance all day in front of my boyfriend. He's waking up his owner with that little dance. Thank you for watching and see you soon.